Good morning, grade 7, and welcome to our science session for this quarter. Okay, let us know first what we're going to study this quarter. This quarter, inshallah, we're going to be talking about the body systems. And actually, the body system is discussed in 3 lessons. The first lesson will be introduction to the body systems, and the second one will be the skeletal and the muscular system. And the last lesson will be about the circulatory and the respiratory system. So, first we're gonna study overall revision about or intro about the body systems, all the body systems. And then we're gonna have 4 systems, the skeletal and the muscular, and the circulatory and the respiratory system. Okay, let's start today for our lesson, which is the first lesson, which is talking about the body systems. Okay, as you know that the body is very complicated and it's made up of many systems that all work together to be able to make the different functions of the body. So the body is made up of different systems that all cooperate together to make the normal function of the human. Okay, so we have body systems or organ systems that coordinate and complete the necessary function for life. Okay, can we start knowing each system? Okay, can you start from the upper part of your body to the lower part of your body to know all the systems? Okay, first we have the skull and the brain, right? The brain inside the skull. The brain with the nerves around it is called the nervous system. And the nervous system is the one that's responsible for sending the messages all over the body. Okay, so the nervous system is the master system. It's the computer that controls all the things, all the function. Either it's movement, either it's digestion, speaking, sleeping, all the things, all the functions are controlled through the nervous system, and especially through the brain in the nervous system. Okay, second, we have the blood. We have the heart, which pumps the blood all over the body. So the heart that pumps the blood over the body calls this system called the cardiovascular system. Cardio means the heart and vascular means the blood vessels. So cardiovascular means the system that has the blood and the heart and the blood and the blood vessels that move all over the body. So cardiovascular system is responsible for pumping the blood all over the body. And then we have the digestive system, right? The digestive system is inside the stomach. Okay, it's the stomach and all the cells around it that's responsible to digest the food. So the digestive system is responsible for the digest of the food, or digest means to break down the food into small parts. So digestive system means breaking down the food into smaller pieces to be able to get the good nutrients from the food and give it to the blood. Okay, so this is the digestive system. So till now we have known that the nervous system, which control all the body functions, and the cardiovascular system, which consists of the heart that pumps the blood, and third, the digestive system that digests the food. Okay, we have another system which is called skeletal system. What is the skeletal? Skeletal word comes from skeleton, and actually the skeleton is the system of bones. So all the bones inside your body made the skeletal system. So what is the bones gonna do? Actually the bones is responsible for first it's responsible for protecting the important organs. Like what like we have the skull. The skull is used to protect the brain. Okay, and also you have the rib cage that's gonna protect the lungs and the heart. So the bones or the skeletal system is used, the main function of it is to protect the internal organ, the soft organs. So it's gonna protect it like the skull. The skull is bones that is surrounding the brain and it protects it from any sudden damage. Also, the rib cage is hard bones that's around the lungs and the heart, and it's gonna protect it from any damage. Okay, so the main function of the skeletal system is to support the body and protect important organs and make blood cells. We gonna take in the skeletal system that is composed of something called marrow, and this marrow gonna make the blood cells. And of course the skeletal system, which is the skeleton, gonna give the support for the body. Okay, so now we have taken the skeletal system, the digestive system, and the nervous system. Okay, let us know the muscular system. The muscular system is a system of muscles that's found all over the body, and actually these muscles allow the movement of different body parts. So the muscular system allows the movement of the body parts. Okay, so this is the muscular system, the skeletal system. We have also the respiratory system, which is responsible for oxygen in and carbon dioxide out. It's responsible for entering the oxygen gas inside our body for respiration. That's why it's called the respiratory system, from the word respiration, and it's expelling out the carbon dioxide and getting rid of it out of the body. And as we said, the cardiovascular system moves the blood through the body. And we have the integumentary system. What's the integumentary system? Actually, the integumentary system is it's a very simple system. It's about the skin and the nails. So the skin and nails make the integumentary system. So what's the function of the skin? Of course, the function of the skin is gonna be protection. So the skin is used to protect or cover the body, and it acts as a barrier. The barrier acts as a gate to prevent the blood from getting out of the body, and also it protects all the viruses and the disease from entering the body. So the integumentary system is the system of the skin and nails that's used to cover and protect the body. Okay, when you get a new mobile, you will also get a cover, right? So the cover is used for protection. So our cover that protects us is the integumentary system, which is the system of skin and nail. We also have the execratory system. What's the execratory? It comes from the word execrate. What is execrate? Execrate means expel or to get rid of the body waste, either in the form of urine, which is the liquid, or either in the form of the stool, which is the solid. So we get rid of the body waste through the excretory system in the form of urine or in the form of stool. And here is the digestive system, which breaks down the food into nutrients that can be used by the body. Okay, and this is the first one. We start with the nervous system that collects information and respond by sending a message, which can control all the body functions through sending a message and receiving message from body parts. Okay, this is a small intro and a simple intro about all the body systems. Okay, as I said in the beginning, that all these body systems works together, okay, to be able to make the different functions of the body. Okay, we have something that's called homeostasis. What's homeostasis? The homeostasis is the balance inside your body to make everything stable and to be able to make its function. So how does the homeostasis happen, or what's this? As we know that the cell need oxygen and food to be alive, to be able to survive, and they also need to expel the waste out of their cell to be able to do their function, their job. Okay, also the cell, to be able to do its job, it needs a certain temperature. It needs the normal body temperature. Okay, what's the normal body temperature? The normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. So what happens if this temperature is raised? When this temperature is raised above the 37 degrees Celsius, the cell will not be able to do their function. They will not be able to do their job. Okay, so the homeostasis is gonna work. This is alarm inside your body. This is the body maintaining the constant internal environment when outside conditions change. What is this? This means that when your body is have high temperature, this is a change in the external environment, your body will make the homeostasis work to decrease this temperature to make the cell able to work and do their function again. Okay? Type. What's happen if the reverse happen? When we feel cold and not high temperature, low temperature. And this is also the external environment change. Okay, so if the body cells were too cold, like in the winter, they would not also work properly. So when the normal body temperature is below 37 or above 37, they will not gonna work properly and do their function. Okay, so the brain will sense this change in the body temperature, if it's getting too high or if it's getting too low. And if it's getting too low, it's gonna tell the muscle to shiver. Shivering the muscle will release energy, and this energy will give us heat to feel us warm. So this is the mechanism of how the body will defend the cold temperature that's gonna affect the job of the cell. The cold temperature will alarm the brain, okay, to make the muscle shiver, and this shivering gonna produce energy that release heat that fill us warm. Okay, so this is simply the lesson 1, which is talking about all the body system, intro for all the body systems, and the homeostasis, that's the balance inside your body. Okay, thank you so much guys, and hope you enjoyed this session. And please do the exercise or the practice question in the booklet from page 55 until the page 57 about the lesson 1. Okay, thank you so much.